Hi students, this is chapter 5, exercise number 5.4, question number 1. Find the equation of two tangents. Find the equations of two tangents that can be drawn from the point. The point is given 5, 2 for what conic, which conic means ellipse. So we want to find out the equation of tangents to the ellipse at the point of 5, 2. Right? Now solution. First of all, we want to write given equation in standard type. Okay. So what is the given equation? Given equation is 2x square plus 7y square is equal to 14. We want to write in standard form. So we want to divide by 14. Divide by 14, we get 2x square divided by 14 plus 7y square divided by 14, which is equal to 14 divided by 14. 1, 2, 30, this one will be cancelled, it is easy. So x square divided by 7 plus y square divided by 2, which is equal to 1. This is standard equation of ellipse. Maybe that's 1 and this one is 2. Here a square which is equal to 7 and b square which is equal to 2. Now general form of equation of tangent to the ellipse. General form of equation of tangents to the ellipse. Y is equal to mx plus, generally in tangent equation is nothing but line. So line equation can be written in the form y is equal to mx plus c. But according to before class, I thought the condition required a line should be tangent to the ellipse is nothing but c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Now we want to find out c. C means we want to take square root of plus or minus. Okay, so the same way we want to write this c can be written as y is equal to mx plus or minus square root of a square m square plus b square. Now we know the value of a square and b square. We want to substitute a. Now the point also given. So 5, 2. We want to substitute the point also. Right? Now at 5, 2, we want to assign x as 5, y as 2. It will come 2 is equal to 5m plus or minus square root of. A square is nothing but 7. Right? So 7m square plus b square nothing but 2. Okay. Now we want to cancel the root. We are getting a quadratic equation based on m. Then we want to solve and find out the values of m. Then you can find out easily the equation of what? Tangents. Right? So now bring the final here. 2 minus 5m is equal to plus or minus square root of 7m square plus 2. Now squaring on both sides, 2 minus 5m the whole square, which is equal to, if you are squaring on both sides, here plus or minus and the root will be cancelled. Then 7m square plus 2. Now the value is now 2 to the, 2 square, the value. So it will become 4 plus 25m square, 5 is 10, 10 to 20, so minus 20m, which is equal to 7m square plus 2. Bring right side all the terms to left side. Here 25m square minus 7m square minus 20m plus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 7m square comes to this side, minus 7m square plus 2 comes to this side, minus 2. Now 25m square minus 7m square is nothing but 18m square minus 20m plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now we want to factorize this equation, finding the value of m to get tangent equation. Right? Now we want to simplify this equation by 2. Divide by 2, you get 9m square minus 10m plus 1 equal to 0. So now this is a simplified quadratic equation. Now we want to find out the values of m by factor method. So product of two numbers, product of two integers gives plus 9. The addition of two integers given minus 10. So the numbers are nothing but minus 9 and minus 1. You can easily I finding answer directly. Before the coefficient of m square, we have 9. So divide by 9 here. You get the numbers. What is the number here? Minus 1. And this one is minus 1 by 9. Just change the symbols. You get the values. M is equal to minus 1 means that is nothing but m minus 1. And this one is m minus 1 by 9 equal to 0. Otherwise, you take it directly 1 and 1 by 9. So, want to take directly means just simply this one, getting the symbol here minus 1 minus 1 by 9. The exact answer is opposite symbol. Okay, plus 1 and plus 1 by 9. Now we are getting slope, that is nothing but m. We have two values. Now the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. And m is equal to 1. Pointer 5 comma. So we have here the equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Just substituting the value y minus 2 which is equal to 1 into x minus 5. So y minus 2 which is equal to x minus 5. We are take out this term to the right side. We are getting x minus y minus 5 plus 2 equal to 0. That is nothing but x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now we have to find out another equation, right? Now, at m is equal to 1 by 9. M is equal to 1 by 9 at the point 5 comma. The same way, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 which is equal to 1 by 9 into x minus 5. Cross multiply this term. 9 into y minus 2 which is equal to x minus 5. Just multiply this one. 9y minus 18 which is equal to x minus 5. Take right on one side. We get x minus 9y plus 18 goes to that side. Sorry, minus 18 goes to that side plus 18. And already I have minus 5. So equal to 0. Now x minus 9y plus 13 equal to 0. These are the two equations of the ellipse. Okay. Hi, this is exercise of 5.4, question number 2. Find the equation of tangents to the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 64 equal to 1, which are parallel to 10x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. In first question, they are giving one point, but here given in one line, that is parallel to the required equation of tangents. So parallel means we know that the slopes are equal. Okay. Now we want to write given line. Given line equation. Given line is 10x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Now we want to find out slope. Slope is denoted by m. This is nothing but minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. It is equal to minus coefficient of x is nothing but 10. So minus 10 divided by coefficient of y is nothing but minus 3. So cancelling we get 10 divided by 3. Since the tangents parallel to this line, right? Since the tangents are parallel to given line, therefore the slopes are equal. Implies m1 which is equal to m2, that is nothing but 1 10 by 3. Now equation of hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola, that is nothing but x square divided by 16 minus y square divided by 64 equal to 1. This is transverse axis along x-axis. So a square is nothing but 16 and b square is nothing but 64. Now the general form of equation of tangents to the hyperbola. Hyperbola is y is equal to mx plus square root of a square m square minus b square. This is the condition. Now we have a m value. This is nothing but slope m and a square b square. Substituting it, you get the equation of tangent. So now y is equal to, what is the value of m? 10 divided by 3. This is substituting it, 10 divided by 3 into x plus or minus. Here also it plus or minus. Okay. Then a square m square. A square value is nothing but 16. So 16 into m square. M getting 10 by 3. Now m square. So 100 divided by 9 minus. Then b square. B square is nothing but what? 62. Now y is equal to 10 by 3 into x plus or minus square root of. This one 1600 divided by 9 minus 64. So y is equal to 10 divided by 3 into x plus or minus square root of. What the cross multiple is 64 into 9. So 9 4 36, 6 balance 3. 9 6 are 54, so 576. 1600 minus 576 divided by 9. So subtracting this one, 1600 minus 576, we are getting 1024. So y is equal to 10 by 3 plus into x plus or minus square root of 1024 divided by 9. Okay. Now y is equal to 10 by 3 into x plus or minus square root of 1024 is nothing but 32 divided by square root of 9 is nothing but 3. So now multiply by 3 on both sides, you get 3y is equal to 10x plus or minus 32. Take and go 3y that side. Okay, 10x minus 3y plus or minus 32 equal to 0. This is required equation of tangent. Hi students, this is exercise 5.4, question number 3. Show that the line x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse x square plus 3y square equal to 12. So now we want to show that this line should be a tangent to given ellipse, and also we want to find the coordinate of point of contact. In last video we know very well, I thought that one, the conditions, conic condition for a line should be tangent to ellipse and then point of contact. Okay, I wrote here. So here conic condition, here point of contact. So now conic, now given according to given question, this is ellipse. Next you want to know the condition. Condition is nothing but c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Then point of contact. What is the point of contact? Minus a square m by c, comma b square divided by c. So these are the conditions. Now you want to find out what is the requirement. A square, b square and m. Then c also be required, isn't it? So you want to find out in using the given line and the given ellipse. Okay. Now the solution. This is not required here, but if you know this one, it is easy to solve, right? Now given line equation. Given line equation is y x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Now this is written as y is equal to x plus 4. This one compared with y is equal to mx plus c. So we are getting m. Comparing the coefficients of x and the constant term, we get m is equal to 1 and the c is equal to 4. Right? Now, given equation of ellipse, equation, this is nothing but x square plus 3y square, which is equal to 12. This one is not in standard form. We want to write as a standard form. So right side want to be 1. So divided by 12. We are getting x square divided by 12 plus 3y square divided by 12, which is equal to 12 divided by 12. 1 3s are 3 and 4 3s are 12. So x square divided by 12 plus y square divided by 4, which is equal to 1. So compare with the ellipse equation, x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square, which is equal to 1. We are getting a square is equal to 12, b square is equal to 4. Now condition. What is the condition? C square is equal to a square into m square plus b square. C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Now LHS. LHS is equal to c square. What is the value of c? 4. So 4 square, which is equal to 16. Now RHS. RHS, what is RHS? A square m square plus b square. What is the value of a square? 12. Simple. M square. M is nothing but 1. So m square also 1. So 12 into 1 plus b square. B square nothing but 4. So 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Hence, c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So you want to write here the line should be tangent to ellipse. Now we want to find out point of contact. Right? So what is the point of contact? Minus a square m divided by c comma b square by c. Right? Therefore, the point of contact. Minus a square m by c comma b square divided by c, which is equal to, what is the values of a square? 12. So minus 12 into 1, m value 1 and c value is nothing but 4. Okay, c square 4, I erased it here, so keep it in mind. Then b square, that is 4, c value also 4. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. So the answer is minus 3 comma 1. So this is the condition. So the conditions are satisfied and this is a point of contact. Thank you guys. Hi students, this is exercise 5.4, question number 4. Find the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 16x and the tangent is perpendicular to 2x plus 2y plus c equal to 0. Now we want to know the general form of equation of tangent. So you know that y is equal to mx plus c is a line. That line should be a tangent. Then the condition is required, you know. The condition instead of c, you want to assign a by 1. So this is the right. Now you want to find out what is the value of a and what is the value of m, and substituting here, this is going to be get the equation of tangent to the respective parabola. Now, so m is a given line is given line. What is the given line? 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now we want to find the slope of the line. What is the slope? We know the slope divided by m, and it is nothing but minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, which is equal to coefficient of x is nothing but 2. So minus 2 divided by coefficient of y is nothing but 2. So getting minus 1. But this line is perpendicular to the tangent of the parabola. Perpendicular, no. So we want to find the perpendicular slope. So this is only slope. Now we want to write perpendicular slope, which is minus 1 divided by m. That is nothing but minus 1 divided by m minus 1. Minus will be cancelled. So m is equal to 1. Now we want to find out the value of a using the parabola. Okay. So given parabola y square is equal to 16x. So we know very well. So y square is equal to 4x. This is standard form of the parabola. That's why. So comparing this to 4a is nothing but what? 16. So what about a? Nothing but 4. Now we know very well the values of a as well as values of m. Now we want to substitute the equation 1 here. Therefore, the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent is y. First equation implies y is equal to, what is the value of m? 1. So y is equal to 1 into x plus, what is the value of a? 4. Then m 1. This is nothing but 4 divided by 1, which is y is equal to x plus 4 or x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Thank you so much.